Ay. Butik. Parang sopo, no? Hiningal ako doon. Hiningal. Ang ganda ng ganda ng paligid. Nasaan sila juice? Huh?
Water
And the second is the biggest and the oldest one from one of them. One is Navi and also one we have. And now we are visiting Castle of God in Georgian language. It has more than 3,000 years history. It was founded in 1000 BC before Christ. 1000 BC before Christ. For the ruler of the community, and the Upska was divided into three parts. Three parts it was divided: southern, middle part, and northern part. The middle part was the place where noble peoples were staying, and other parts normal people. The time of prosperity here was 700 caves, but because of the earthquake, a lot of them were destroyed. Now we can see only 150 of them. In the city there was 4 main entrances.